is my first video for YouTube, so this might be a bit painful. Start with the coils, I suppose. Starship Rodin type design coil. Got a pair of them, one wound clockwise and one wound anti-clockwise. I suppose I'm getting a pulsing DC current out of this adapter, which is 18 volt 3.5 amps. These coils are in parallel. If I put them in series, it just becomes a strong electromagnet, and I can suspend this sort of half-pound lump of magnets in between the two. But I'm going to leave it on the parallel connection for now. Just going to get this neosphere spinning so you can see what's going on there. Right, you can hear that spinning. Just separate these coils. The sphere will spin anywhere in between them. Stalls at the top there. Try again. I can take this right over to the edge. Be careful. Take it over the outside. Still spinning. Almost seems to get faster. Stalls right on the edge there. Okay, that was a little bit of entertainment to see what's going on with a neosphere. Next I've got a couple of coils here. Pickup coils. They've come out of an air pump for a fish pond or aquarium. Says they've got a 15 watt capacity. So let's try those. Okay, good stuff. CFL is 240 volts, 11 watts. Now if I take another piece of iron, I suppose, place these coils on top, you can see that the bulb flashes more rapidly, and I can add a little bit more iron and I can get even more out of that light bulb. These coils, 0.4 ohms resistance, and they draw 1.7 amps. Across the power supply I get a reading of 0.7 volts. I've done what tests that I can and I know to work out how much power the coils are consuming, and it's sort of 1 to 2 watts. These pickup coils, if I use these in any other configuration, they just don't produce any power. They also need to be touching. And that's all I've got to show you. Like I said, it's just a video for Cakegy, just to show him what I'm doing with his coils. Thank you very much.